Hello, welcome to StarTex Garment Textile ERP software demonstrations. First of all, click the icons and input username and password. StarTex comes upcoming shipment orders. If you want to see some details, you can right click and see the menu. You can click the, for example, go to article. Software shows us model details screen, and other selection is a go to order. You can see the order details. For example, production status. Here is the screen, and material status you can show here, and double click is movement details, and you can click the other selection production status. Click here we are. You can see the cutting ending amount and sewing ending amount and quality control, the other operation details. And for example, we together prepare is a new order. First of all, you have to input stock item cards. For example, stock cards, we use the stock cards menu. Here this screen you can see the all item cards. For example, this is accessories details, and for example button, label, zipper like this, and fabric details, for example ribbon and supreme like this. Click once, you can see the stock details. For example, this is color and size, order, stock rooms, gram and meter square, and party amounts details. This is here we are. That's all stock item here. Next step is a article details. We prepare the articles cards for order. For example, you can click the new reports and new model codes. After descriptions, for example, sweats, shirts, and main model type is sweatshirt, and you can click the size set, template number, still number you can if you want to use, embroidery design number, collection number, article number, for example, and then here you are. Click enter, and you can choose the button, label, and zipper, and fabric and supreme details. After that, select it and change amount. For example, button 4 button, label 1, zipper 1, and ribbon fabric 0 and 30 amount, supreme fabric 30 fabric, and save. After that, we have to input production planning. Software ask us fixed production planning will be copied. Are okay? Yes. We choose the standard plane. For example, cutting, sewing, and quality control and packaging. After that, save. First of all, this is necessary. It is necessary for order. You can input other details and article colors and create barcodes and create stored cards and production following production status, alternative costs, sales price, and deflation manufacturing. details copy transfer prepost model, metallurgy, and for example, maybe you can input the measurement table. For example, shoulder width, and for example, with first size in 5 centimeters, other size is automatically operate and save, and other screen is a order card. For example, we can input the order details. For example, new reports. We input order numbers. This is description, for example, summer collections like this. And customer, you can choose the H&M, for example. And customer number is a customer order number, for example. Here we are. And order date, and you can choose the delivery date. First, planning date, you can't input details because software is automatically decides input first planning date because sometimes customer responses the late input order. Sometimes planning man is late planning details. Software is decide which one planning details. After then click planning details. Software is input the planning dates. You can input the customer responsibility, and planner man is a admin like this. After then you can choose the definition, order groups, export order, internal market order, internal like this. This is export like this. After then you can choose the order. For example, new models here you are. After then price, for example, €5. You can input the assortment details. For example, like this German, their first assortment. For example, first assortment colors, blue, small, and 2, 1 like this. After then input the order amount. This is 2000 like this, and yellow colors, and 1, 1, 2, 2, 1 like this. After then 118 after the input. You can click the export quantity table. Software is translated quantity tables. Here you are like this. If you want another country amount, you can use the copy details. For example, all details same other country. You can click the copy. Only changes country like this. UK. For example, this one change only. Change the amount. After then save. You can select which want to see country. You can select it here, and you can input the percentage for cutting for production, and you can click the other country and production tolerance. After then save. Yes. You can, if you want other details, for example, measurement infos, you can right click. After then OK. If you want to, this screen is saying the mod article card. Software comes to article cards model information details. After then, change the order screen like this. After then, you can input the click OK screen. For example, color OK and credit details, and size set OK and credit details like this. After then, you can input the article details. For example, box type mode, packing type mode, sewing mode. After then, you can input the printing and embroidery details. For example, this one prints. Please, this is shoulder and dimension and colors. For example, yellow. And process type and pictures. Select the pictures. For example, this one. After second row embroidery and like same shoulder, and then same size, and this like this blue. After that, select the picture, embroidery picture, and you can choose here and save. You can choose the article washing symbols. You can multi-select here this washing symbols. After that, you can print the, if you want to print, click the reports and order form like this, form 3. Okay. This is a preview. For example, order details, order pictures, and order amount details, and embroidery details. After accessory details, and click other notes. Here you are, here this screen. Yes. After that, we have to see how many needs items. Yes, you have to first of all material planning, and click here this screen. After then, looking only this order is not okay, because these orders comes new. After then, right clicks, you can see the material status. For example, button, label, zipper, how many needs. For example, 30,000 amount, fabric details and supreme details. Software shows me how many stocks. Here you are, 22,000 kilos blue stock. If I decide use the stock, you can reservations stocks amount for how can is it. This is, you can use the reservation screen. This screen is you can write a reservation amount. For example, this amount. Software shows me how many stocks in here the screen. For example, this party. After then, OK. Software is reservations, free stock, and same time software send email other responsible personnel. For example, merchandiser and director and stock person send an email about these reservations. How we use other items. We need purchasing. Yes, you can hear this purchasing button. Software shows me purchasing model. You can this screen for purchasing, but this is important purchasing because same time different order manufacturing, different needs item, materials items. In that case, we need to use bulk purchasing. We can click the bulk purchasing. This screen is so easily shows us how many needs fabric and accessories. For example, choose the stock cards. For example, here's this screen. This is a fabric. Show me details. Only one order. For example, this is no. Yes, you can choose the items. For example, this one. Show click. Sorry, wrong item. Looking, software comes me other orders need items fabric. For example, fabric 31 items, different 7 details. I can choose the item, for example, this one, but now I need this one. Click this one after price and currency, choose the currency and firm. For example, Netadam, here you are. After them, which department? This is a purchasing department. Here you are. Click one other one if you want to use. And generate purchase receipt. Software prepare purchasing details. After that report, your screen. This screen is a purchasing forms. You can, if you want to print details, and if you want to send an email. For example, 2 days later, the goods comes our factory. How can we input software? For example, this is important number for us. Our stock persons. Here we are, new records. After that, work order number. Our work order number is 9. After enter, like this software comes me how many comes need purchasing amount. For example, this delivery, this is here we are, and this amount, and this amount like this comes save. In that case, we want to look details, order details. Yes, you can order. Here we are. Find the other order, my order number. Production status shows me. Material status. We can. Not here. Planning details. This screen is a needed yellow and work order incoming amount. This is different. After that, next 2 days later, for example, and new record, work order number. Software shows me balance amount, and after that save all amount comes my order. You can check planning status. Planning status, here we are. This is need 1080 work order same, incoming same. That's all for us. Same scenarios is same all items for this scenario. After an exit, next step is a production planning. We have to prepare planning, production planning. This is software shows me production group code, and like this, right click, it shows me before you can we input to production planning, cutting, sewing, quality control, and packaging. If you want to another use department, you can add model article cards. After then, generate work order. Software is a generate. This is work orders. Here we are, and this is packaging and quality control, sewing and cutting details. This is my order, my work order. This is 10, and fish number is 33. After that, my department done is my order, for example. Same time, we input model details. For example, enter choose the model details. This is 10, T10. This is model pictures. We choose the cutting input here. How many ending my order cutting? For example, 700. This is 1000. Like this, 700. Like this. Like this, and 500. This amount is ending cutting. Save sewing, transfer the sewing departments, and after that save. Next station is a sewing ending. For example, this one. Software counts me before incoming here sewing 700, 1000. How many ending sewing we input to now I'm quickly now how many ending, this is ending amount, transfer the quality controls and save. After that sorry, wrong fields. This is quality control before becoming here this amount. How many ending? For example, quickly import. This is ending amount, quality control, transfer it packaging. So after then, the other quality control. Sorry, again, wrong department choices. This is packaging, and this amount is ending packaging. And software same time, this this production movement is a ending production this order. Software is same time. Software is ready stock entries cards. Same time this order in input fabric stock here. Program software is ready automatically input finished stock here. After that we can prepare the packing list software. For example, You can input details, speaking with details, for example, receivable, transporter, payment, delivery method, invoice number, like this. After you can input my order, here we are, and after then we can input the box details, for example, box number 1 number, and second box is a like 10 number. You can choose the colors, and you can choose the assortments, how many assortment in each box, for example 5 assortments, total package 25, and total package in box quantity. After then second row, 11 bucks, 20 bucks. After then input the yellow and assortments, how many assortment in each box, 5, 30. After then save, same time. You can click the stock out. Software is automatically for this amount output finished stock. For example, this one, we look fish. Yes, software is ready. For example, from H&M output, this is checking list number and order details, finished stock output. And you can click the, here you are, you can input, click the box label, for example, H&M, like this, same time. We finished order and delivered customers. But now, how many I wish we want to look how many finished our software, our order material cost. You can see the material cost details, last cost with invoices like this, and choose the order, and you can choose the currency. After then reports. Software prepare this report. For example, material cost. This is here we are. How many units, how many price, and total local currency and euro currency, and production amount and local currency and euro currency. After then, how many shipping. This is standard. Here we are. This is a final unit cost for local currency and euro currency. After that, sales price, sales profit, and per unit cost. This is how many difference amount. For example, this is difference profit cost, unit cost, and last cost. And how many profit this order. This is your amount. Total profit and total cost and total sales. This is total profit, your company, this order. And after then you can list and order details. For example, here this screen. This is a order general report for your factory, and you can click the week order, delivery dates in week. You can click the week summaries. You can look the summaries, and like this shows model pictures and shows order details. You can see the production status. Here you are, and you can details here this screen, and reporting behind ready. You can choose another order. You can see the material status like this other one, and this screen material status. You can exit this one. For example, not important week, your important like this model, for example, you can click the header, you can like this plus click, you can see the details. Yes. And after then we can look general production reporting, for example, general manufacturing report standing. This is important for us. Which we want to see departments. Click the departments, show me. After that reports, you can see the manufacturing status. This is order list and order date or delivery date, article codes. This is how many cutting, this one, how many sewing comes and outgoing and standing now, quality controls and packaging same time. You can look and following production details discipline. Thank you for listening our software. Thank you.